Leetcode weekly context 486. Question number 1. Minimum prefix removal to make array strictly increasing. We are asked to remove all the prefix that include decreasing segments. So a typical array will be a combination of a few substrings, some up, down, and if we can go through this array to find out this decreasing substring and this one and this one, we want to remove them all. But how can we tell if it is the last decreasing substring? The trick here is we do it backwards. In this case, all we have to do is to find out the first decreasing. That's the position or index we want to remove. That's the approach we want to solve this problem.